Best deals. 1. Tope. Designed to meet the needs of modern kitchens, that not only organizes your cookware but also liberates valuable kitchen space. The elliptical rim on each piece of the set not only enhances its aesthetics but also serves a functional purpose. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Appam Patra. Designed with curved sides, the pan is well suited for deep frying and stir frying, offering versatility. The round bottom enhances convenience during stir frying. Perfect for preparing a range of dishes. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Drainer. Neatly holds your pot while draining excess water. Drain stand ensures durability for long-lasting kitchen convenience. Simplify your post-cooking routine with a rice pot drainer stand. Stand fits various pot sizes, can use as fruit, beans, noodle strainer. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Kettle. Boil water, prepare instant meals, or use the included egg tray to boil up to 7 eggs simultaneously for quick and convenient cooking. Built food grade 304 stainless steel body with matte finish, detachable glass lid, wide mouth design, and concealed heating element for easy cleaning and long-lasting use. Equipped with auto cutoff, dry boil protection, overheat safety, double protection controller, and high-quality thermostat for safe and reliable performance. Features a temperature control knob, light indicator, 360 degrees rotating detachable base, volume markings, 1.2 meters cord with cord winder, and copper wire conductor for efficient functionality. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Glass jars. Clear oval, window design, see-through window makes it easy to check contents at a glance. PVC lid locks in freshness, while anti-slip base keeps the jar stable on any surface. Made from high-quality glass with a durable, lead-free metal casing that's chip-resistant and food-safe. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Pressure cooker. The 2.5 mm thick body of the pressure cooker ensures even heating. This prevents loss of nutrients and vitamins in steam. Makes your dishes tastier by preserving the natural colors and flavors. 3 layers of metals from base to rim. Durable, scratch and rust resistant. Supports even heat distribution and quick cooking. Effortlessly cook healthy dishes. Suitable for both gas and induction stove. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Container. Made from high-quality polished stainless steel, the container is sturdy, rust-resistant, and features an elegant design with deep silver lines. This large 12-inch stainless steel drum has a 10 kg capacity, ideal for storing grains, flour, rice, sugar, snacks, and other kitchen essentials with ease. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Kettle. Boasting a 1.8 L capacity, this electric kettle allows you to boil ample amounts of water for your various needs. With a 1500W heating element, the 360-degree swivel base, cool touch exterior and cordless design offer ease of use and mobility. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Strainer. The tri-ply sandwich bottom ensures uniform heat distribution, preventing food from burning or sticking. It allows faster cooking while preserving essential nutrients, making it ideal for daily use. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Pot. Strong, sturdy, stay cool reinforced fiberglass lifting handles. Strong, sturdy riveted stainless steel bracket. Ergonomic fiberglass, stays cool, comfortable to hold. Designed to make lifting heavy loads easy. Unique lid for dum biryani, holds water, makes lid cooler. Steam condenses under lid, falls back into food. Cooks with less water, makes more flavorful biryani. Ideal for large families, parties, hotels, dhabas, canteens. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Lemon squeezer. Crafted with high-grade stainless steel, this lemon squeezer is rust-resistant and long-lasting, ideal for everyday kitchen use. It extracts the maximum juice from the lemon with minimizing waste and extra seeds. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Sari covers. Made from high-quality 200 GSM non-woven fabric, These sari covers for storage offer lasting durability while keeping your garments in pristine condition. Designed with a clear front window. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Wall hook. Strong vacuum suction technology. Advanced vacuum suction cups provide a strong grip on tiles, glass, and smooth surfaces without drilling or screws. 5-hook multipurpose organizer comes with 5 durable hooks for hanging towels, kitchen utensils, keys, loofahs, sponges, bags and other accessories. Crystal clear transparent design. Elegant transparent crystal design blends perfectly with modern bathroom and kitchen decor. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Toilet brush. Made with thermoplastic rubber bristles that's tough on grime but gentle on ceramic surfaces. Ventilation holes in the holder allow air circulation for faster drying and to prevent odors. The bendable TPR bristles make it easier to reach deep spots, edges and corners of the toilet bowl. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Organizers. Protects your underwear from dust and moisture while keeping your closet organized, reducing clutter for a stress-free experience. This multipurpose wardrobe organizer keeps the garments damage-free, clean and new for years. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Sealing machine. Keeping food fresh is much easier with this handheld heat sealer. You can seal food vacuum bags or chips bags directly to prevent food spoilage. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Kadhai. Offers a unique cooking experience without any artificial coating. Enjoy healthy, tasty, and crispy food effortlessly. This kadhai embraces the concept of natural non-stick without the need for additional coatings. With the ability to withstand high heat and retain it effectively. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Curd maker. Fresh homemade yogurt contains exponentially more beneficial gut bacteria than store-bought varieties, supporting your family's immune system against seasonal illnesses. Good bacteria help reduce bloating, improve nutrient absorption, and support regular digestion, especially important for growing children and your own wellness. Each bowl works naturally to strengthen gut health, helping your family feel better from the inside out. Perfect for kids with fussy tummies or anyone dealing with digestive discomfort. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Cutting board. Simply wipe down the stainless steel cutting board with soap and water, or place it in the dishwasher for a thorough clean. With juice groove side you can easily catch any juices or liquids from meats or fruits while cutting, making this chopping board cleanup even easier. Both sides of the stainless steel cutting board for kitchen are non-porous, which means that they won't absorb any juices, odors from food. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Fragrance diffuser. Elevate your home with this electric aroma diffuser for home, featuring a stunning rain cloud design that blends modern sophistication with functionality. Not just a humidifier, it transforms your space by releasing a fragrant mist with 2 to 3 drops of your favorite essential oil, enhancing relaxation and improving indoor air quality. Perfect for creating a serene and stylish atmosphere. Experience effortless relaxation with this essential oil diffuser for home, featuring a remote control for seamless operation. Set the timer to 2H, 4H, or 8H and let this fragrance diffuser for home fill your space with soothing aromas while you work or unwind. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Kitchen sink. Pull-down spray faucet with 3 versatile spray modes allows long reach, and the high arc 360-degree swivel spout supply full range of washing access, allows extra flexibility. Sprayer head always retract back to spout after each use. Integrated double ledge is great for sliding accessories and allows you to work different tasks at the same time, including cutting foods, washing a small load of dishes, draining foods, cooling foods in isolated water. Streamlining everything from meal prep to cleanup. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Oil maker machine. Extracts 4 to 8 kg oil per hour from peanuts, groundnuts, sesame, almonds, mustard and more. Retains natural nutrients, aroma and taste as oil is pressed without heat damage, unlike chemically refined oils. Built with a robust 600W motor and precise digital temperature controller, giving you a consistent, high-quality oil output every batch, no guesswork, no burning. Comes with oil collection pot, stainless steel filter, strainer, heat-resistant glove, cleaning brush, spare spring, power cord and detailed user manual, everything ready to use out of the box. Simple on-off digital panel, overload protection and auto cleanup mode make it beginner-friendly, features advanced cold press technology for efficient oil extraction. Maximize oil yield from seeds and nuts like sesame, sunflower, and almonds, with minimal waste. Ideal for home use, this machine ensures top quality results every time. The robust design and precision engineering ensure consistent, high-quality oil output. It's the perfect oil press machine for a reliable use. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Slow Cold Press Juicer is equipped with a stainless steel filter with a fine and dense mesh, which adequately separates the juice from the pomace. Every sip you take is a pure, delicate juice. The fruit juicer machine auger spins at 90 to 110 times per minute. From a scientific point of view, the low speed is a major factor in avoiding nutritional loss from the juice, as a slow juicer machine does not oxidize the juice nutrients due to heat buildup. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Omelette Pan. Compact, multifunctional Japanese-style egg pan. Can be used to make Japanese egg rolls, omelets, pancakes, bread toasts, French fries. Heavy gauge aluminum construction for quick and even heat distribution, 100% safe, food grade non-stick interiors with a beautiful, scratch-resistant porcelain exterior. Unique, slope-shaped design for easy flipping and serving. Always stay cool phenolic handle for easy handling. Suitable cooktops, halogen, gas, electric. It is not suitable for induction. Hard to heat phenolic resin handle with a hanging hole for hooking. Unique, slope-shaped design for easy flipping and serving. The pan features the right shape and dimension to create authentic tamagoyaki eggs. Its heavy gauge aluminum body propels even heating and high heat retention. Its heavy gauge aluminum body propels even heating and high heat retention that helps you prepare delicious Japanese rolled omelets in the beautiful yellow shade using minimal oil. Aluminum body with non-stick coating for easy cooking and cleaning. Unique and stylish mini frying pan add beauty to your kitchen. It has an always stay cool phenolic handle for easy handling. High quality aluminum offers great performance and the base design has a superior quality durable exterior. Crafted to flip, turn and lift all your crispy delights. Perfect to make mini dosa, chilla, paratha, pancakes, toasts, omelets and tadka. Exceptionally tough base with aluminum core ensures unmatched heat conductivity. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Chopper. This sturdy and durable chopper is what you require for your kitchen. Replace the blades with a mixing stick if you are done with chopping. It's great for mixing salad, making sauces, stirring eggs, and cream. Chopper can be easily removed. The lid, blades and the storage bowl can be separated, so it will be cleaned easily. Although manual, the handheld chopper runs without electricity, and the blades give it plenty of power. Cut what you want into small pieces and put them in. Speedy chopper is made of high quality material. The vegetable chopper container is made from a quality, food grade, and BPA-free plastic. Finely chop ginger, garlic, herbs, etc. by rolling the turntable base on the kitchen counter with minimum effort. Introducing a revolutionary chopper with the industry's first tire roll mechanism. The chopper doesn't need electricity, battery, or cord to operate. Simply roll the base on your kitchen countertop and get fine chopping for cooking. The chopper comes with a double-lock rubber rim cover that eliminates the chance of leakage. Its razor-sharp twin Z-formation blades chop even the stiffest ingredients within seconds. Thus, you can quickly chop vegetables, fruits, nuts, whisk eggs and even prepare a soft baby puree. The chopper helps you save time. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Electric Lunch Box. No need to looking for a microwave and wait in line for heating. Now simply plug in and heat up your food with the electric heating lunch box at home, office or in car, truck using the 110/12 of a volt power cables. Keep constant heating between 60 degrees Celsius and 70 degrees Celsius when plugging in, always serving you a hot meal. Using PTC original constant temperature heating, low consumption heat cycle to keep food at a suitable temperature and keep the moisture of the food. It normally takes 30 to 50 minutes to warm the food, super efficient and energy saving. If the food was taken out of the fridge or where the ambient temperature is low, the heating time should be extended appropriately. Improved cover design, the cover will not move during use, more tightly covered. Because leak-proof seal ring design is added, it improves the defect of food leakage. Prevent fluid leakage in sloshing car environments. Product link is given in the 26th link.